Hello everybody, welcome to this video on fraction of an amount. Please pause the video and copy down the title and the objective. Okay, let's get started. Today we're going to learn how to find the fraction of an amount. I'm going to show you a couple of examples. So if we have a half, of £12. We all know that a half of £12 means sharing £12 between two people. And the answer to that would be 6. If I'm to ask you, what is a third of £12? It's slightly more difficult, but hopefully you would know that you are sharing £12 between 3 people. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So each person gets £4. If I'm to ask you what is a quarter of 12, you know now that you're going to have 4 baskets because you're sharing £12 between 4 people. So let's do it together. Let's count £12 and share it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I've finished. So each basket, each one of these baskets I'm sharing gets 3 lines. So that means that a quarter of 12 is 3. We do one more example. If I ask you to find a 6 of 12, we know we have to draw 6 baskets because we are sharing between 6 people. And we have £12 to share. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So each person is going to get £2. This is all very good and easy to understand. However, it is really long to draw baskets each time that you have been asked to find the fraction of an amount. So we need to find an easier method to work this out. We know that a half of £12 can be written as a half times £12. In maths, the word of is the same as multiplication. This is your very important top tip. So what I need you to do, I need you to pause the video and copy down the top tip and also the example that I have done here. Now that you have copied, we can work this question out using multiplications of fractions. A half times 12 is the same as a half times 12 over 1. We said we're going to write the number over 1 to make it easy for ourselves. Now we're going to see if we can simplify. Remember, make your life simple, simplify first. So 2 and 12 can be simplified. They can both be divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 leaves me with a 1, and 12 divided by 2 leaves me with a 6. So I know now that 1 times 6 is 6, and 1 times 1 is 1. 6 over 1 is the same as 6. So as you can see, the answer was the same answer that I got at the very beginning. Let's try the next question. I have a third, so I'm going to try the second question now. I'm not going to draw baskets anymore. I am going to just use multiplications of fractions. So I have a third of 12. We said that of means times, so a third times 12. I'm going to see if I can simplify to make my life easier, and I indeed can. 3 goes into both of those numbers. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. And as you can see, I got the same answer as number 2. Please pause the video and do the other 2 questions. So I want you to do a quarter of 12. And I also want you to do a 6 of 12. Hopefully, you came up with the answer of 3 for a quarter of 12, same as in our baskets when we shared 12 between 4 people. And also, hopefully, you got the answer of 2 for a 6 of 12, same as when we shared 12 pounds between 6 people. So it's as easy as that. All we're going to remember is that of in maths means multiply. Then we're going to use our knowledge of multiplication of fractions to do the questions. I have prepared some questions for you here. So please pause the video and have a go at these questions. Here are the answers. Please pick up your purple pen and mark your work. If any of those is incorrect, please correct it. Thank you for listening to this lesson. As you can see, it's very, very straightforward. Finding the fraction of an amount, we're going to use the skill of multiplication of fractions. Thank you.